Hi, do you know that you can convert your Facebook pages, websites, and blogs into an app and send it to your prospects and clients to keep them engaged with your business? I am going to be showing you how to do this in a few clicks. By the way, welcome. My name is Ifeanyi Opara. I am the CEO founder of Stan Creativity Hub. I am also a digital skills coach. I'm a fashion designer and a network marketer. So you might be asking, how can you create apps without any coding knowledge? And I'm going to be showing you how you can do that without imputing one code into your app. I'm going to be doing that through a website. The name of the website we're going to be using is AppsGazer. Appsgazer.com. Okay, we are in. Okay, this is where we can create. You see, the first and the simplest app creator for your app making without any coding and fees. So to get started, we'll click on create now for free. So you can see we have two options here. We create app to earn and we create app to grow. So under the create app to earn, we have app templates for messenger, video chats, browser, games, etc. Then we have two apps to grow. We have website, business, referral link, and Facebook. So we are using create app to grow because we are trying to build a network of persons who are connected to our business. So as you can see, we have business websites, we have Facebook page, we have blogs. You can see all of them down here. So for this training, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Facebook page into apps. Okay, the interface is loading. So we have here, we create your own feed from Facebook group page. Your page must be public. Field marks, star symbol are required. So we click on next. Enter a Facebook URL. So this is my Facebook URL for my page. Facebook.com/SIO concepts. Click on next. Okay, change that. So I am going to be naming my app. So I'll be calling my app Stan. Then I click next. So we are meant to put a logo for our app. You can use the default icon or you create a custom icon. But I'll be using a custom icon because I have a logo for my business. So I'll be using my logo, which is this. Done. Okay, and that is done. Click on next. Then we create So we have to sign in here. So I'll continue with Facebook. Okay. As you can see at the top left corner, our app is being created. Skip to our app has been created. So we download APK. Sorry about that. And here is our app. So that is how you can create an app for your business with Apps Gazer. When this is done, we install our app and we launch it. If you want to send your app to your clients or prospects, you can either share it on WhatsApp or you send it to your drive and you send them the link to your drive where they can get the app and install. Okay, and we are installing our app now. I believe that the process is quite simple and easy to use, and you can create as many apps as possible as you want. You can also use it as business to create apps for people and you get paid for it. Open. And that is the end of our presentation. As you can see, this is our Facebook page. Please do log in to our Facebook page and you give us a like. Thank you for joining this training or reviewing this course. We hope to see you in our multiple trainings coming up. Thank you and God bless.